Okay guys, welcome back to Gamers Fun for You. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use a toggle trigger. This is episode 3 of my trigger tutorials. First we did the move trigger, then we did the alpha trigger. Now it's time for the toggle trigger, so let's get right into it. So guys, toggle trigger is kind of like the alpha trigger, except for making the block invisible. It also makes the block not in the level. So guys, if I put a spike down right here, and then I select the toggle trigger, just put it here, I'm gonna add them to group 1 and stuff. Group IDs. And then the spike disappears. If you do touch triggered, guys, that means the spike won't disappear unless you touch the trigger. Guys, just then when I touched the trigger, the spike disappeared. If I don't touch the trigger, the spike won't disappear, guys. And then we could add. Yeah, so guys, and proof that the spike disappeared when it's toggled off. Not in the level anymore, guys, because it toggled off. But if you do activate group, it turns green, and that reactivates the spike. So I'll show you guys an example you can do with that. Guys, once you go under it, the spike becomes visible. So yeah, guys, that's how to use it. You could toggle it off at like the very starting of the level, and then you toggle it on later in the level. Toggle it off, guys, at the starting of the level. You do the group ID, same as the spike. You don't select anything here, and then you put it back here at the very starting. Then if you wanted to make a spike appear later, you would have to do activate group this time, and then group ID 1. But guys, here's the thing. If you do touch triggered, if you haven't touched it, it won't work. But when you touch it, it does work. So yeah, guys, that's how to use the toggle trigger. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I might show you guys one more example. So I'll remove this off of Twitch. Yeah, so guys, that's how to use the toggle trigger. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll beat this level for you guys to see. Bye, guys. And guys, one more tip. When you do the touch triggered, since you can't see where to touch it, guys, add a key there. So I'll show you guys what I mean. When you can't see when you can't see it in the actual level, just add a key. So enable touch triggered. Go here. It could be any block, guys, but key is by far the most popular one used. I'll make that like green so that it's like the same color as the enable. So guys, yeah. And then what happens is you select the key, the spike appears. So yeah, guys, that's a pretty decent way to explain it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Leave any questions down below in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and enjoy, guys. For now, bye. You guys remember, so for more daily uploads, subscribe with the notification bell. Bye. Bye. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.